If you are converting thermal paper in South Africa, you already know this. Load shedding is not an exception. It's part of daily production. The real problem is not just losing power. The real problem is what happens to your rolls in those few seconds. When power drops suddenly, three things usually happen. First, tension collapses. Your unwind may free spin, or your rewind may lock too fast. That's how you get loose rolls, telescoping, or edge damage. Second, your meter count becomes unreliable. If your encoder or meter will lose its signal, the roll may show 80 meters, but actually be 77 or 78, and your customer will notice. Third, when power returns, restarting at full speed is a mistake. You must recover tension slowly, low speed, restabilize, then ramp up. In South Africa, the smart solution is not just a generator. You need a UPS for the PLC and tension controller, so the machine can perform a controlled stop, a proper VSD setting to avoid tripping during voltage drops, and a clear SOP for operators after every power interruption. Because in this market, power cuts are normal.